Welcome back to Manor and Maker, where you get to find out why we did a glow up of the front yard. Hi everyone, it's time for the big surprise reveal.
Huge news. We are adding another feather to our cap this coming year. We are going to host weddings. This is unbelievably exciting. It's something that we have thought about, and one of the things that we did was actually connect with wedding planners. And we initially just wanted to find out what we would need to do to get the chateau ready for weddings. But they have been such amazing partners that we feel like we can ramp up relatively quickly and get them going right now.
I'd also like to give a big shout out to our patrons, because we had done a bunch of discussions. So the wedding planners gave us some ideas, and we were kind of stuck in a bit of analysis paralysis, and so we put it out to the patrons, and they really helped us clarify what needed to happen first, and that's why we did the glow up on the front yard.
Exactly, and that makes such a huge difference, and it's certainly changed the face of the chateau and makes it a much more pleasant place for photographs to be taken, shall we say.
Yeah, very photogenic now.
And as far as the photos go, so that's what this video is all about. We staged a wedding here. We had photographers, videographers, Terry and Dylan. We had hair and makeup people. We had two wonderful models, and our wonderful planners, Pamela, Justine, and Nicole. And it was a fabulous day. The great part about it is we really got to see what the chateau is going to look like as a wedding venue. We shot stuff in the garden, in the front courtyard, in the house, and even in the local chapel that's just down the road. So to give you a really good idea of how this is going to work.
Really great job by Lot on the flowers.
Amazing.
She had to make a set of flowers work in a bunch of different settings, and she did an amazing job. She's our regular florist, and she's into local floristry and really a lot of really great principles. And so we're really excited that she was able to help us out with this event.
So the whole team came together, created an amazing day of photography, and all those photos are going to be utilized in our website and promotional material. Website is currently under process. It isn't quite ready yet, but it will be ready relatively soon, and then the promotional material from that. But if anybody is thinking about getting married in France or knows somebody who is, we're now an option.
Hey, we'll put you in touch with the planners and we'll get you rolling.
Exactly. We're really excited about this. It's going to be a whole new thing for us, because we didn't need to sleep.
No, I'm probably going to need some new time management tools.
Yes, exactly. So
I'll start looking into that, because obviously we're going to work with the planners for the weddings, and we're still going to run the retreat side of things.
Exactly.
But that's still just going to need some time to make sure everything runs smoothly. So yeah,
because that's the thing. I mean, yes, we're adding another feather to our cap, but it means that that cap is getting very heavy.
Anyway, enjoy this video showing the staging of the wedding. The models are in fact a couple, so when they look very romantic together, they are.
They were lovely, absolutely lovely.
Yeah, it was a great day. So enjoy.
Yeah.
So I know some of you might be curious about how we do manage all of the work here at the chateau, and there's a lot to keep on top of. We plan all the retreats, and we try to have some time with our friends, and it's all future business and current business and how we run an actual event, and then of course we've got to stay on top of French administration, which is as joyful as ever you've heard. I have used a lot of tools in the past, so I've done the whole bullet journaling thing. Has anyone ever done that? It was great for a while, but it's not entirely automated. I have tried Todoist. I have used just about every tick box app out there. I made my own in Google Sheets. And the thing is, after a while, I stop using them. I can't keep on top of them, and I feel like I'm spending more time planning than I am doing the actual activities. So what I've been waiting for is AI to catch up to where we are, and finally, we are here. So AkiFlow has kindly offered to sponsor today's video, and it is fantastic. I am so excited about this. It's going to save me so much time, and it's also really great at helping to keep me focused, because I can be very easily distracted. I'm sure some of you can relate. So firstly, I use it to capture everything that comes in. So I can add tasks directly, or I can do things like I just hit the star on the Gmail and it creates a task from there as well. And of course, plans change. You make a plan for the day, and then the chateau makes plans, and then the fuel delivery arrives, and then the accountant calls and needs 3 more documents that you haven't planned yet. And you can just replan that so easily in AccuFlow. So I use the little chat function, their beta chat function, which is amazing. You can just tell it in words what you want it to do. Just move that out to next Tuesday or replan those 3 tasks for me. You don't have to do each task individually. Amazing. AccuFlow is the all-in-one solution that brings essential productivity tools into a single streamlined workspace, fully integrated with Accu, the AI executive assistant. It all starts with a universal inbox. Like I said, a star in Gmail or leave a Slack message for later, capture a link from the web, and build a second brain that keeps everything in one place. Finally, AccuFlow's daily rituals offer a moment to review daily progress and planning, while productivity stats can reveal trends and insights over time. So for the first time in a long time, I can actually trust my system now instead of the overwhelm that is going on in my brain, and I really feel like it's saving me the planning time. The time that I don't want to spend planning, I just want to do the tasks. AccuFlow is just saving me that time. If you're juggling a million things and sick of systems that don't stick, this one's worth trying. They even include a one-on-one onboarding call to help you set it up for your actual workflow. Check out the link in the description to improve your productivity.
Still little.
Okay. There's room for littles here. How about here?
Ça, c'est un peu foncé. Est-ce que ça c'est trop le petit bout du sol, c'est trop.
Difficile.
Attends, parce qu'il est centré au moins. Non. Je m'entends pas.
Ah oui, c'est ça.
Un petit outil.
Le château derrière et la robe en
Le nœud papillon.
Non, ça va. Là, ouais. too?
Anyone got a wedding ring on? I don't wear one. Oh, I've only got these silly big ones.
Oh.
Oh, that's beautiful. Moving away. Maybe have a dog in it.
Oh, nice little Dexter. Hopefully that branch holds, but this should be all right. Wonderful.
It's making me think I should put curtains in this room sometime. My spare time.
I bet I drank from them than anything.
What do you think, Lot?
Beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Very stunning.
Wow, what a difference, huh?
Right? I told these
Now we
guys
know.
they can come every day.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, the mirror looks great.
Right?
So there you go. How exciting is that?
I hope you enjoyed that.
How
We did.
beautiful. How beautiful does our chateau look? I mean,
Right?
this is the thing, when we get to see it through other people's eyes, whether it's with our retreat guests or in an event like that, it really reminds us that it's such a beautiful place, and we're very, very happy to be living here.
Yeah, exactly. So it's like and subscribe time. Our videos for this month are going to continue to be sort of out of schedule. So if you would like to know when we release a new video, then do subscribe and hit that notification button.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, just check in regularly. Steve's been posting some shorts to kind of keep everyone connected. So I hope you've been enjoying those. We'll also sneak peeks of what's coming up because we just ran our Creative Adventures event and it was awesome.
It was amazing. Absolutely amazing. You'll see that in the next video.
Yeah. So we're just playing a little catch up, and then yeah. And now I've got a good planning tool, so it'll be fine.
Yeah. Excellent. Well, thanks everybody for tuning in. We actually are starting our last retreat of the year.
Yeah.
So that's very exciting. And then we will connect with you guys next week.
Sounds good. Have a great week, everyone.
Bye now.